Hi, Jody. These are really these two photos aren't too bad at all, but I think you're right. I think they could have been a little bit better. And yeah, I would say that though having the hair blown out when the part of the body blown out when the sun is so bright is is nice. It's acceptable and even sometimes desirable. It is a little bit overdone in this case. And so what would work really well is if you would have just changed your angles so that you were shooting, I don't know how low the sun is on the horizon here, so this might not have even been possible with the lens hood. Meaning it might have been so low that the sun was coming directly into your lens and you might have had too much direct reflection of the sun. But if you could use the sun as rim light, then this huge highlight would shrink down. Like, so if you moved so that they were in between you and the sun, this highlight would shrink down and it would just be from here to here and it would be a really beautiful rim light. And then you're right, if you would have just bounced light back into them, then you could have decreased your exposure and it would have been less blown out as two. But it's still kind of nice blown out because it, you know, gives us that rim light. And the composition's really nice here. This is actually, it's a beautiful photo, but yeah, like just a little bit of a change in angle even, just a change in angle. And this could have been a little bit nicer. And then here, your cousin, yeah, bouncing some light back in here totally makes sense. However, love the light on his face. I think it's perfect. I wouldn't change that at all. And I love the composition too. This negative space is just really hilarious around this little toddler. But yeah, a little bit of light in here, perfect. Okay, thank you, Jody.